Welcome to WBB Stars. I'm the chef in the restaurant room. He is Christian, the pastry chef, and
we are going to make the flan on the oven.
They're ready.
And we leave them there until completely cold. And after, we are going to put them in the fridge. Just flan. Our flan are cooling down, and I want to explain you more about the flan. It's look like so simply, but we want to make something that is simple, so perfect. That's puff pastry, and that's the way we start to prepare the flan. I cook the puff pastry separate with the cream. So when the pad is cooked well, I put inside the cream just after. Then after the cooling down, it take almost 4 or 5 hours. I want to cool it very slow. We finish it with some vanilla oil. Just to bring some more smell of vanilla on the table. And make it very shiny. Then the waiter at the table will cut it in front of you. And I want to show you what I mean with the perfect cooking of the cream. It's something like very soft and creamy. And that's the way we serve our flan. So it's very simple, flan and vanilla.